Hi guys, so I decided to show you guys what I'm doing. So today is Sunday. I'm supposed to cook this food on Saturday, so I decided to cook it today Sunday so that you guys will see how I make my food, my party jollof rice Sunday. Yeah, so that is why I'm trying to show you guys. As you can see, I'm frying my chicken. And guys, please, if this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me. Thank you for coming across my video. Yes, so guys, because of my children, they are sleeping. That's why I decided to use record. I have to record and do it. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm talking about, sir, but you guys know what I'm talking about. But so that is it. I'm frying my chicken. After frying my chicken, so I'm going to be cooking my jollof, my party jollof rice. So that is it. So guys, join me so that we'll cook it, because today is Sunday. Actually, it's not today that I was making this video. So this is after some days. I decided to edit it here. So that is it. So join me and cook today's Sunday food, my party jollof rice. And very soon my kids, they are going to wake up. So, and the first person is going to be the little baby. So guys, please continue watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your sister, please. You can see that I'm pushing, like I'm trying my best to be uploading video to you guys. So that is it. Please support me, support your sister. Thank you so much. Please don't look how my house look like. Don't look how my house look like. Please, I'm just begging you guys. I don't want anyone to say that, look at your house, is this where you live with your children, with your family? Please, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye.
Power of yours we can afford. Lying in bed, locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday.
Look at this one cow. Look at this one cow. And the 5 cup and the 3 cup. So I'm going to add it, cook it, but boil it. Anyone. So this is what I'm cooking. This is my spices. Okay, this is the spices I'm going to use for this my jollof rice. To cook this rice on Saturday yesterday, so I'm going to cook my rice. I will talk to you guys later. Maybe later.
Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work.
inside it. Leave me alone. Take one there. Joshua, take the other one. Okay guys, so I did not continue making the rest video because my children, they are making noise. The noise is too much and they are watching cartoon, so I have to stop recording. So so that is it. So that's why I have to do it this way. Okay, I'm sorry that I did not show some parts, okay, because of this is not for cooking video. I'm not making cooking video, okay. I'm not making a full cooking video. What I'm just is to show you jollof rice. Maybe it will be stew rice. Sometimes we cook oil rice, sometimes tomato rice, you know. So different type, that they have many types to cook rice. So but this one is the particular way I cook mine, but I did not show the rest things though. So you have many ways to cook your party jollof rice, okay. So that is it. So but that is it. Continue watching the. So I'm going to add water and cover it, okay. I have to turn it very well so that some parts will not be white, some parts will not be you know, jollof rice. I don't want it like that. That's why I have to turn it very well. Okay, so guys, continue watching, okay. Thank you so much. You guys are going to see how the rice is going to look like, okay. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.
Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes wait for just an hour more.
This is the final look of my rice. So it's done. I am done cooking my rice. That is it. You want to eat rice? So guys, I'm done cooking, as you can see. So I'm going to turn it before eating. So I'm done cooking. Look at my rice. Wow, look at this one. This is not all the chicken, some is inside here, okay, as you can see. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, like, share, okay. Bye. I love you guys.